Did you know that on the entire planet today, there are approximately 8 billion humans, and all of them are so different, right? Actually, we're all extraordinarily alike. Our genetic information contained in our DNA only varies from one to another by 1%. That means we're all 99% the same. That 1% that differentiates us is related to our physical appearance, the color of the eyes, the hair, the shape of the ears and fingers, things like that. The DNA is the molecule that stores our genetic information, the one that programs the activities of our cells. If you stretched out the DNA of all the cells in your body, it will measure almost twice the diameter of the solar system. In this video, we are going to make a DNA model, and you will only need colored paper, scissors, glue, and a pen. With strips of paper, we're going to create the nitrogenous bases and the sugar phosphate backbone to make the shape of the helix. For the nitrogenous bases, cut 8 strips of colored paper of the same size. On each side of the paper, you would write characteristics that you have in common with other people. For example, I have written in the first nitrogen base that I am strong like my mother. Use one side of the paper to write a characteristic and the other for the person you resemble. Think not only about your family, with whom you share many physical characteristics. Also find similarities with friends and with not-so-friends, with acquaintances and strangers, with people of other ages and from other places, with people who speak other languages and live in conditions different from yours. You will surely be able to find 99% of those things we all have in common. Once you have the nitrogenous bases with your information, fold the right corners to the same side and the left corners in the opposite direction. Cut 4 long strips of paper to be the sugar phosphate backbone of the helix and glue the bases as you see in the example. To make the helix shape, bring together the corners of the long strips. Tape the right side under the left in one corner and make sure it goes over in the opposite corner. It will create the volume on your DNA model. Make as many bases as you want to create and discover your most human DNA.